Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm just resorting these galleries based on the information you gave me again, Trevor. So I'll just go through just so you can get a bit of an idea again how we're actually going to do it. So at the moment I'm working in the Melbourne studio, but there's certain pieces of your work that really aren't supposed to be in here. So again, according to your instructions here, inner reflection really is one in the that needs to go into the Karoi studio. So it's actually sitting in the Melbourne studio at the moment, as we can see here. So all I'm going to do is just go through again, click this button here, which associates it with the actual painting. So I've selected inner reflection. This is another one that's got to be moved. So well-behaved women rarely make history. And also we have to select full moon over Lake Eyre and reflections on Lake Waver. So we click those ones there. We've selected our 4. Then we go to this action dialog box here, click the drop button. We're going to move to, we're going to apply our selection, and they have to be moved to the Karoi studio. So again, these are all the galleries here. So we just click Karoi studio, click OK, and simple as that. They're moved straight across to the Karoi gallery. And again, let's just return back to the Melbourne gallery at the moment. Manage galleries, and it's always good to check to make sure that's been moved across. So now we go to the Karoi studio. We've actually got 7 pieces of your work in the Karoi studio. We'll click on that there now, and we'll see what actually sits in here. So there's 7 pieces of work in there at the moment, but there is one missing. So I'll have to go back and find which one that one is now. Okay, so it looks like most of them are there now. So what I'm missing is the free to choose painting. So I'll go back to manage galleries. And I'm assuming that it's actually in the Melbourne studio gallery. Okay, it's not in there, so let's look in another gallery. I don't know, I didn't see that there, so free to choose is in the Melbourne gallery. Sorry about that. So free to choose, that is now going into the Karoi studio. Again, click the box, move to apply, Karoi studio, click OK, and it's automatically moved to the Karoi studio gallery. Again, let's just go back to the Karoi Studio gallery and just double check to make sure that it's in this Karoi Studio. We have 8, which is correct. Just double click and we'll see. Make sure that it's actually sitting in there. There we go. So what we're going to do now is, looks like the order is exactly perfect. If we did want to reorder the list, again, we just go into this button here, Sort Gallery, and we can change the order by just dragging and dropping, selecting, dragging and dropping into the correct location. Okay, so there you have it, Trevor. I think that will give you a bit of an indication of how we actually go around moving things around the galleries. If you're not sure, just please give me a call and I'll be happy to help. Cheers.